What jobs will AI replace? AI is most likely to replace jobs that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based. Here are 5 jobs that are most likely to be replaced by AI, and 5 jobs that are difficult to be replaced by AI. The 5 jobs that are likely to be automated by AI are: 5. Data entry clerks. AI can now process and analyze vast amounts of data much faster and more accurately than humans can. 4. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots can now handle many of the tasks that were once done by human telemarketers. 3. Factory workers. Robots are increasingly being used to perform repetitive tasks in factories. 2. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines are becoming more common, eliminating the need for human cashiers. 1. Drivers. Self-driving cars are still in their early stages of development, but they have the potential to replace many truck drivers and taxi drivers. Here are some of the jobs that are less likely to be replaced by AI. Jobs that require creativity, such as artists, musicians, and writers. Jobs that require social intelligence, such as therapists, teachers, and customer service representatives. Jobs that require physical dexterity, such as surgeons, athletes, and construction workers. Jobs that require high levels of judgment, such as lawyers, doctors, and engineers. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.